guys, welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, I will show you a quick tip about system of equations. But before we start, hit the subscribe button so you can see more tips to help you get the best score. The thing about this question is that it requires your mental skills to get the answer, and the calculator role is almost zero in similar questions. So we are going to use the elimination technique to try to isolate x. And we start by eliminating y by cross-multiplying y numerical coefficients. Then you will have the same y numerical coefficients. We will eliminate y by adding both equations. Then you can simply isolate x by dividing 11. Repeat the video if you want more clarity, and drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.